Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play FC Mobile using your PS4 controller. First, ensure your PS4 DualShock 4 controller has ample battery life, as a low charge can cause connection issues. Next, verify that Bluetooth is active on your mobile device and that it is discoverable by other devices. Having FC Mobile pre-installed and updated will also streamline this process for you. Prepare your controller and phone, and we can start the pairing. Now, let's pair your controller. On your PS4 DualShock 4 controller, simultaneously press and hold the central PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds. You will notice the light bar on the controller beginning to flash rapidly, confirming it has entered pairing mode. Open your mobile device's Bluetooth settings and look for Wireless Controller in the list of available devices. Tap on it to connect. With your PS4 controller successfully paired, proceed to launch the FC Mobile application on your mobile device. Once the game loads, we recommend briefly checking the in-game settings menu to confirm that controller input is recognized and active. You should also try navigating through the menus or a simple game mode using your PS4 controller to ensure all basic functions are working correctly. This step confirms a solid connection. To enhance your gameplay experience, explore FC Mobile's in-game control customization options. The game often allows you to remap specific actions to different buttons on your PS4 controller. Take some time to adjust these button mappings to perfectly suit your personal playing style and preferences. Saving your customized control layout ensures a consistent and enjoyable experience every time you play. Fine-tuning these settings can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.